Just do it. Don't.
Get off, get off, get off.
So just chemistry, but I know I kinda maybe really do like you. Maybe me and you, we can try to.
Ooh, what's up, y'all? What it is? What a day. It's your girl, Melty.
And your boy Mike.
And we are back.
With another video. I know you guys missed us. It's been a while.
So we are on our way to the pet supermarket to go pick up my fish. We are getting a pet together.
Which she's probably gonna not feed and is gonna die in like
Don't do that. Don't do that. No. So,
Bro.
I'm getting a fish.
She's not gonna feed the fish, guys.
I'm getting a betta fish. It's a boy.
Guess what the name is?
No, I think it's a pretty decent name.
Spencer, babe?
There's nothing wrong with Spencer.
Why would you give like the fish a real name, like a real
Because
person's name?
It's Spencer. I
Anyways,
like
guys, comment what you guys think about the name Spencer for a fish. It's a betta fish, right?
That's your son, yeah. We're getting a boy. We're getting a boy. So we are on our way to the pet supermarket.
Hey, we want to take you guys with us. See what we get.
So yeah, we are going to the pet supermarket to pick up the fish. So we will see you guys there. We made it. We almost died, literally, because somebody don't know how to drive.
Like I said in my previous video, people in Florida don't know how to drive.
No, you don't know how to drive.
People like her. She don't know. Anyway, guys, we made it. Looks kind of creepy though.
Everything looks creepy to you. Anyways, come on, let's go. We made it. We're in the car right now. Ooh, almost dropped my phone. He asking me to show y'all the drip. What drip?
Every time I step out, told y'all every time I step out, I gotta show the drip. Sunlight, look at the shirt. Sunlight.
Look at me. Picking up the fish for my friend Shannon. I hope she's in the store because I don't even see her car.
This shit look creepy, bro. Watch out. Think about over like that.
They try to hit me with their raggedy ass car. Anyways, we're going in there right now.
Oh, Shannon. Where you at? Shannon. How you doing? Where the dog's at? Is that her? You know, mommy, whole lot of cat. Smell like cat and fish. Smell like dog poop. Look, bunnies and shit. Bunnies.
We had more. This whole thing was filmed. So they're very popular.
Why are they hiding?
Are you vlogging?
No. What are those called?
Guinea pigs? Are you reading?
No. You don't like to read? Oh, look. Oh, shoot. I thought it was a glass.
The smaller the thing, the more you have.
Guys, she's scared of the freaking guinea pig. Look at her. She's scared of it.
Oh.
She's scared of the guinea pig.
You are too.
What? I'm running because you're running.
Babe, Shannon, put it back. Put it back. I like this one. What happened to all the colorful ones?
Oh, sold. I had like these ones. They're all gone. These guys come in all different colors. These ones had even different colors.
Well, this one is so tiny.
Oh, those are the ones you have?
Okay, then I think I'll take this one. Try this one or this one?
The
I like
brown
this
tails are nice too.
These are too small. Do they even grow?
A little bit, not huge. Maybe like this big, but their fins aren't gonna look the same. These
How
ones
long,
are
how long do they live? That's what I know.
3 years. If you take good care of them.
We're finna get this bad boy right here.
Yeah.
Call
Oh, wait, but this one is pretty.
that nigga Spencer.
It's not funny. I didn't even show them my drip.
Sunlight.
You dress me, so don't be talking about something like.
But like light bulb baby.
I don't even want to get close to Buddy. Oh. Is that a tarantula?
It's a bearded dragon.
A what?
Is there any animal that you guys won't run away from?
Stop. Can they hear? Where? From where?
They pick up vibrations more than like actually hearing stuff. But
I wonder how I feel like to be a snake.
or the other one.
Do the yellow one? I do the yellow one.
This one.
Yellow one.
Because like the best, the actual like best habitat for them is just to get a big sterilized house on Target, which is half the price of what you get here or a Julie.
Oh no, just sit them in the tank for like 10 minutes.
Okay. So we're gonna do the. He's gonna hold on. We're gonna do. He's gonna hold a bird.
No,
I think I'm gonna hold the bird. And I got my beta food right here.
Which she's not gonna use.
I'm gonna feed it to you because you're a beta fish. And I got
holding
the.
no bird. I'm not.
Yes,
holding
you
no-
are. So he's gonna go ahead and touch the bird.
Stop.
Stop playing with me. Go ahead. Okay, here.
You go.
You sure, Shannon? I mean, I've done it before, but I'm scared. You say you gonna do it after?
Yeah.
You gonna do it after?
No.
Yes, you are. Don't play with me.
I'm not touching no damn bird.
Girl. So
Oh.
if she goes to bite you, she just pretends.
Oh.
She's like, yeah, I'm gonna get you, but she
Go
doesn't.
ahead. Don't touch it.
I trained her.
Scary ass.
Hold on. I promise.
So scared. Okay, get it off of me now.
Okay.
You were scared. I'm not doing
It feels weird. No, it feels weird.
It's good. She can't fly. Her wings are clipped.
It just feels weird on the hand.
I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. You can put it back.
And she was talking about me. Okay. Go ahead, babe. Stop.
Just put your finger up and she steps right up. I trained her.
Ooh, Liddy.
I have birds.
Come on. Stop.
No. She just wants to step up.
She just want to step up.
Okay. You can put it back. You can put her back. Do it again.
No.
We did it once already. You can put her back. Baby.
Come on, babe, stop. It's just a bird.
Put your finger and she jumps right up. I trained her. She just wanted to step on your hair. You can put it back. Please tell me you recorded that.
Yes, I am.
One eternity later.
You can say you do it and then I'll never have to bother you again.
Exactly, just once. Just once.
Look at this. Somebody come and look at this.
What's your finger?
Babe, just do it. Don't.
Get it off. Get it off. Get it off.
It felt weird, ain't it? It just feels.
It doesn't feel weird to me.
It is official. We are officially parents. Look at our baby in here.
Shit heavy.
All right, let's just run to the car. You got it? You got it? You all out of breath. You breathing? Baby, stop. Thank you, Shannon. If you're watching this, you're amazing. Thank you. Alrighty, y'all. Just got to Walmart. These people almost hit us, and then like she's talking about, oh, I should have hit y'all ass. I should have hit y'all ass. Like, okay, girl, you sound ridiculous. What are you doing?
Baby, you don't see the lighting?
Yeah, it looks good. Anyways, we just got to Walmart, so we're gonna go inside and pick.
We went back in like 2012, 2013. The light skin face.
That looks so good. Anyway, we're gonna go inside of Walmart to pick the. What are we doing? The face mask, the black one. Seriously? You look like such a Haitian. Like you look like a big Haitian.
All right, guys. See you guys in there. She don't even know what she's looking for.
I do. Like,
This one? Does that have to say black on it? Hmm? Google it.
No, hey, no, gang, no, gang, no, hey, no, hey, no. I'm a gorilla in a fucking school. Gonna pull up to the zoo, nigga. Oh, nigga.
say easy to pull on, but I doubt it.
Oh, we don't know what we're trying to get.
I don't think this one.
Hungry, guys. I'm hungry. She's not feeding me. She's not feeding me shit. Why are people staring at me? Like, fuck. I'm gonna go vlogging in this bitch. You know I'm bumming, man.
You are embarrassing.
Oh, look at
I know better.
Okay.
Anyway, guys, we about to get ready to get a checkout. Finna go to the self checkout. You know what it means. Self checkout at Walmart be lit.
You're so.
Bankrupt.
Ugly.
No money on my car.
Anyways, we got our fish. We're going home. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Share with your grandma, with your grandfather,
Anyways,
your
thank
mom, your whole family. Share. Make sure to subscribe.
I can't believe this. Anyways, thank you for tuning in.
Wait, babe, did you like the video yet? You guys like the video yet? All right.
Thank you for tuning in, and until next time.
You say you love me, shorty, show me that you mean